I swear this camera makes me look good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my mommy here. Hi. We are going to be doing her makeup with a bunch of fun products for Mother's Day. Because Mother's Day is actually coming up in like soon. Soon. I haven't bought a gift yet. Sorry. Today's video is in partnership with makeup.com, so make sure to check out their article below. But if you would like to see how I do my mom's makeup, then please keep watching. Alright guys, hey. We're starting off with the Genifique Hydra Mask, and I'm just putting this on my mommy. And sorry if there's an echo, I'm actually doing the voiceover in my kitchen because Enzo's playing his video games. We know how that goes, it's okay. So I'm going to leave that on her for a little bit, and then she's going to do a little skincare routine for you guys. So she's going to take the mask off and just rub all of the leftover serum back into her skin. Doesn't she do this so gracefully? I don't know if she did that just for the camera. Then we're doing the Radiance. It's like a pink moisturizer that brings a little rosy glow to the skin. And then we're using the Absolute Eyes Precious Cells eye cream under her eyes. God, I should hire my mom to do my skincare videos. Look at her go. So graceful. I died at this whole video, by the way, guys. Look at her. So good, Mom. So now we're moving on to the makeup. We're starting off with the Radiance Booster from L'Oreal. Why are you tan?
I'm not.
This is your color?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. Then we are using this Becca Brightening Primer. I wanted to really brighten up this skin. Not that my mom's skin is dull, but, you know, make it look more alive. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using a mixture of the It Cosmetics CC creams. I have, I believe, medium and light, or medium and tan, and I mixed them together to get my mom's perfect shade. But I love the CC cream for myself, but I also love using it on more mature skin. I use this whenever I do weddings or anything like that. I use it on more mature clients, and it truly looks amazing. As you can see how tan my mom is compared to my hand. Then I'm using a Lancome concealer underneath my mom's eyes and in all the highlight areas of her face, just because we're focusing on brightening over here. So I use it on the middle of the chin, the cupid's bow, under the eyes, on the nose, in the middle of the forehead, all that stuff. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my foundation brush. And here comes my little baby sister coming to give my mom a hug. Isn't she so cute? Then I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder to set everything. And I'm just using a little bit, and instead of swiping the brush, I'm actually patting it so that it doesn't move any of the product. For blush, I'm using NARS Gina. Love this blush, one of my favorites. Just a super pretty color. And then I'm adding some of the Laguna bronzer from NARS as well. And this brush right here is from It Cosmetics. It's part of their Chic collection. For highlighter, I'm not big on putting any powder highlighter on more mature skin. I like to put more of like a cream highlighter. So this is the What's Up from Benefit. And then for brows, I'm using the Monsieur Big Brow like pencil stick thing. This is actually my mom's and she uses it, but I decided to go a little bit further. So as you can see, I filled it in with that, and now I'm going a little bit further and using a brow pencil to just fill it in and give more shape to the brows. By the way, guys, if I forget to mention anything, all of the information is in the description below. To basically prime my mom's eyes for shadow, I'm using the Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. These next three shadows that you're going to see are from Makeup Forever. I'm going to put the colors in the description because I don't know them off the top of my head because they're numbered. But I'm using that tan in the crease, and then a little bit of the light pink in the crease, and then this shimmery pink on the lid. And then I just took a nice dark chocolate brown to line the lash line. And then I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big, or my mom's using the Lancome Monsieur Big to do her mascara. And then I added some shadows to the bottom lashes and some eyeliner pencil and blended that all out underneath the eyes.
I knew it. I knew it. I gotta do it myself. Darn it. I'll do it. Jeez Louise!
I think I'm done.
Oh, brother. See how I have to look in the mirror? I just got a big thing of I gotta look in the mirror. That's my favorite color.
Now we're moving on to the lip liner and the lips after that little mishap with the eyes. I'm using the Nice and Spicy Prolongwear lip liner from MAC. This lip liner does not move at all, so it will not go into any wrinkles or lines on your lips and will not fade out. Then I'm using this YSL lipstick. I believe it's number 3 or number 4. And I'm just painting this on my mommy's lips. And then for lip gloss, just add a little more color. I'm using this new Lancome Prismatic gloss, which is going to give a little plump as well to her lips. And then I'm using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist to complete the look. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Happy Mother's Day.
Tell your moms that you love them. And happy Mother's Day. And that's it. Make sure, of course, as always, to subscribe. I will put the subscribe button on my face. And also check out all of my other videos right here. Alright, see you later. Bye.